I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping close.
Good morning, guys. Around 6:30 I've woken up, you guys, so I'm starting this vlog in the kitchen. So I'm starting with I want to steam that sweet potatoes over there, guys, for our breakfast. Yeah, so stay tuned and see what I did to our breakfast, guys. Yeah, I'm steaming it within 30 minutes and then it will be ready, you guys. Yeah, is the potatoes are steaming. I'm still making some smokies for breakfast, guys. So today we are going to have tea, sweet potatoes and smoky, you guys. Yeah, so that is what we are going to have for our breakfast, guys. Here, so I've decided to start this vlog in the kitchen, guys. I think my vlog starts in the kitchen every day, guys, and that is the tea there. We are boiling milk tea over there, a simple morning breakfast, and the breakfast is ready. See what we had with my kids. So you can see the sweet potato is very ready there and looks yummy, you guys. It is very sugary. And then we had smokies that were many in the freezer, so I decided to cook for them to have them the way they want. And later on, yeah, as I've said in this episode, is that it doesn't have a nanny, you guys. So this is what we usually do in the morning. I usually gawa some duties to my kids. So my boy was vacuum the carpet, yeah, and the girl will just clean the dishes, you guys. Yeah, so I've taught my kids to work for themselves when they doesn't have a nanny. So this morning you can see everyone is busy doing duties that I've allocated to them, you guys. Yeah, I usually tell everyone to choose what they want to do. Yeah, but this time around I'm the one who's making the dishes for myself because my girl is, we have a lot of laundry to fold, you guys. Yeah, the day bag has washed twice and we haven't done folding, so I just want to clean the dishes as my daughter will just go and start folding the clothes, guys. Yeah, so if you are new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I does content basically on homemaking about my home. So yeah, for me, I usually make sure I do everything in the morning. By 11 a.m. in the morning I'm free. Yes, so that we can relax and then have lunch and then we do other afternoon activities or we relax. Yes, so remember to subscribe in this channel if you are new. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting my content and leaving a positive comment. You guys were really motivating me. And this episode, I've decided to show you how I tackle everything without a nanny, you guys. You can still make it without a nanny. You can see we have laundry to fold, you guys. Here, that is my daughter was folding before I finish cleaning the dishes. So I'm done. I just want to help her folding clothes. So when we are folding the clothes, we usually fold the clothes using by, if it's my clothes, I will put my clothes alone. My daughter will fold her clothes alone and my boys alone, so that when we start going to put them to their specific areas, it be easy. Yeah, so I'll fold mine putting aside my daughters aside, my kids, my boys aside. That is how I usually make our folding very easy. I don't mix the clothes when I'm folding, so that when it comes to closet arrangement or kwa sanduku unapanga rahisi. Yeah, so today's vlog is about cleaning, folding, organizing, and meal prepping, you guys. So if you're new, consider subscribing, leave a positive comment and tell me what you think about me in this episode of working without a nanny, you guys. I thought having not having a nanny was just a difficult task. It's vile utajipanga for me. As long as my day bag has come and cleaned the clothes, everything in the house I will tackle. So when she comes on Friday, she usually clean all the clothes and then she cleaned the whole house except my bedroom. My bedroom is never cleaned by a nanny or a day bag. That is my matrimonial room, so I don't leave my privacy for everyone, you guys. So she will clean my kids' bedrooms, she will clean kitchen, everywhere, but my bedroom is a no-go zone for her. So yeah, you can see we had a lot of laundry, you guys. Yeah, so Hope I'm motivating someone who doesn't have a nanny, mwenye hauna mfanyikazi, we can still make it. I thought ilikuwa nadhani ni kitu ngumu, kumbe ni kitu mtu anaweza jifanyia. So wake up and do small touch-ups in your house. Yeah, having when you doesn't have a nanny, you doesn't have a pressure to work for yourself. For me, I usually make sure the kitchen is clean, the dishes are clean, we have food, and the house is well arranged. Even if with that laundry is in the bed, my nanny's bed sleeps no one. So when they clean the clothes, we usually put them there before we fold them. So yeah, and I usually make sure when my kids wake up in the morning, everyone cleans the bedroom where she sleeps or he sleeps. They clean their own bedroom and make them. That is a routine in this house. And me personally, I will make my bedroom. And then we clean the bathrooms and toilet. Just simple as that. We don't wash the house every day. Sometimes we vacuum the house. So we are done with folding, you guys. Can you see the way we had a big laundry, bed sheets? Those are our fleece blankets, it is called, and these others are bed sheet and pillowcases, you guys, and my kids' clothes. It was a huge laundry to fold, you guys. It was a huge laundry to fold, you guys. You can see over there, but with the help of my daughter, we are done. So we are just going to put them in their specific areas. Yeah, so you find that the house is well arranged and very clean and very beautiful. That is how I usually tackle small duties in my house. I don't overwork my body or my kids, but I usually tell them to work where they can. And yes, you can see in the afternoon it rained, you guys. My day bag was around, she cleaned the carpet, you can see it over there, and you can see the tank is full, it's just pouring water. It has really rained, a lot of rain this time around, you guys. Yeah, you can see even it's raining, it hasn't finished raining, guys. Yeah, so there is where I usually get my water. That is our drinking water, guys. You can see. And then later in the evening, we are going to have skuma, eggs, and ugali. So for the kales, I don't buy. I usually get them from my kitchen garden, you guys. Yeah, so you can see I'm just getting. It helps me a lot. Like right now, we are not watering. It is rainy season, so everything in that kitchen garden is really fresh. But I haven't planted so many things. I think I have kales only and some fruits, you guys. Yeah, so I didn't have time to plant. Yeah, I'm just waiting the rains to cut off, and then I'm going now to clear everything and plant vegetables in that kitchen garden, you guys. Yeah, so and my daughter went ahead and cut the kales. You can see she knows how to cut, so we are just going to have our dinner, you guys. So hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Tell me what you think about it. Like the video, comment and share it if you can. Yeah, so no more talking, just see what
I've always
daughter
had
in
a
the home is
way
cooking,
of
what she did.
keeping closed, being hiding. I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling. If you're finding I've
dinner. For our dinner, we had ugali, greens, and eggs. That is my daughter who prepared that delicious meal, you guys. Here, they have been of very help in this time we doesn't have a nanny, you guys. She's cooking so delicious meal. Like, I love a scrambled eggs. It is very, very, very delicious, guys. Yeah, so you can still work without a nanny with your kids. Teach your kids how to work on it. Till the next video, bye.